Hi Alex, it's Jared here. Why did I want to join Amazon and start up in Amazon? Once I found out about it earlier in the year, since I'm only 18, I saw it as having the potential to set me up with a expandable income that, given the work, could help me set up the rest of my life in the future. One of my main goals is to be able to retire before I'm 25, and I see e-commerce through Amazon as a potential key to opening that door, as a metaphor. I think that Amazon is a perfect starting point, and your course definitely does provide the education and learning tools to achieve that. I believe that. Why did I choose you guys? Well, the truth is, I was watching YouTube one day, right? I think it might have actually been about e-commerce through Amazon, and an ad popped up for your course and your business. And it was the first time I'd seen an Australian actually doing such a thing. And from then on, I felt and I knew that I needed to get on board. There's just something about it that told me, yeah, you were the right guys. The main thing I love about your training is the fact that you have a live portion to it, where every Monday, a whole group of people get together and you just go through a certain portion of the training or questions people have asked, stuff like that. That part about your training right there, it really brings live feedback about what other people have been able to do and what problems they've had to face, how they've achieved them, and your suggestions, and just the live experience of it, I think is really good. And besides that, you're an Aussie like myself. Of course, I would definitely recommend your training. I think it's absolutely brilliant. If someone was considering jumping on board, I'd tell them that, or I'd just tell them about my experiences with your training. Through your training, you've given me the confidence to actually go out there, get my own supplier, find my own products to go and sell on Amazon. You've taught me how to do all of that. You've taught me how to list it. You've given me advertising techniques. You've given me the key to the door to freedom, pretty much. That's the way I see it.